he wanted me to get back to woodworking, go do woodworking. You know, your prescription this month is to go do woodworking. And yeah, I'm sure it does. But this is definitely I never really gave it credit before for but I really never really did it for anybody else either. I always, the only time I ever carved really was to make money and not to you know, I was, for a little while there, I was out of work with my back, and I made probably 100 of these things just to pay the bills, because I was out of work for a year and a half with a back injury. And I sold them on eBay. And at the time, they sold really well on eBay. Like, I was getting a couple $100 a piece for those. And but I you know, I definitely feel a lot better since I've been on Twitch. And I you know, I really appreciate everybody on Twitch that yeah, I see. Let me show. There's the back of his head. This is going to be his trunk. Yeah, I'm definitely happy to meet all of you guys, and you guys are really like I said, the wood, and honestly, Michaela will tell you, Standing Leather, that I spent a decent amount of time in the Hobby Lobby looking at the leather stuff to see if, because that bat that I showed you, like, that's been in my mind since I was watching you do your leather work on there. I don't hope to think that I could actually make that bat, but I don't know. Might be able to. Thank you so much. I really want to separate this trunk from the face, but I'm not sure. When I was making this tree frog here, I broke one of the legs. I don't remember which one it is, so I must have fixed it good enough, but I don't want that to be so fragile that it breaks easily. Shut down to get some nightly chores done. Leave alert. Hey, thanks for coming by and talking with me and chatting. Like I said, if anybody hasn't been following, Karen Day is my name. You should definitely follow her because she's a great pyrographer and a singer. And